Hey savers, Chrissy here from Coupon Confidants. Publix comes out with these coupons off of gas. If you spend $50 on groceries or items in their store, it doesn't necessarily have to be food. It can be personal care or household, things like that. When you spend $50 before coupons, you are able to pick up a $50 gas card of your choice, and you would cut out a $10 off of coupon from their weekly ad that you'll see in the front of the store. So they do this every so often, usually like every other week or a couple times a month, sometimes a couple times in a row. Either way, we have a gas card deal this week, so I wanted to give you an idea of how one works. Now this is not one of the better ones, but this is just to generally show you how you get all the way to that threshold and how you want to bring it back down to lower your out-of-pocket. So this is one that I made today, and I made it based on a couple of things that I want to get this coming week. So that's where I came up with the cat stuff and the household stuff. As you can see here, I have 8 bags of cat treats, 8 dry bags of cat food, 8 packs of paper plates, and 2 boxes of trash bags, and your $50 gas card, and you're going to spend $71 for all of this. So thinking about that, you're basically paying a full $50 of gas, and you're getting the rest of all of these items for $21, however you want to put it. So this is what you would do. You're going to buy 8 Meow Mix dry cat foods. They're buy one, get one free. We're at $19. All you want to do is you want to look at the weekly deals and tally up till you get to $50, whether it be what you need or you want to go for the hottest deals, whatever the case is. Next up is 8 bags of cat treats. Buy one, get one free, $7.16, and so on. 8 hefty plates, buy one, get one free, $2.99, $11.96. And then 2 trash bags, $5.99 each, $11.98. So that brings us to $50.26 before taxes. We're not including taxes on this. Now you pick up the $50 gas card of your choice, whether it's Shell or Wawa or Chevron or wherever you go. Pick up your $50 gas gift card near the gift cards, and you want to make sure that you clip out that $10 off coupon from the weekly ad. So right now we're at $100.26. Now you start bringing in the coupons. So you're going to do the $10 off of 50 from the weekly ad, and then we're going to do our $8 off 1 Meow Mix dry cat food, and we're going to do 8 of the 55 cents off 1 cat treats. We're doing 4 of the $1 off of 2 foam plates. We're buying 8 of them, but the coupon's $1 off 2, so you're only using 4. And this coupon has a limit of 4 either way. So if you wanted to get more plates in this scenario, you could not. Anyway, and the other one is use 2 of the $1 off of 1 for the trash bags. So that brings us down to $71.86 for all of it, including $50 in gas. Now this is not the most exceptional and unbelievable gas card deal. I could sit here and tell you, well, Enlightened ice cream is going to be buy one, get one free, and there are buy one, get one free coupons out there. If you have them and you have not used them, and you printed them when you should have, then you can get all of those for free, and we can make the total come down lower. The point is, do this for what works for your family. If there are a couple deals this week, you really want to stock up on the frozen food that's on sale because it's buy one, get one, and you have a coupon, figure that in your gas card deal. Figure some produce in, or some meats, whatever works for you. Either way, even if you use no other coupons, even if you only get $50 of whatever you want in the store, and you have the money to lay out to get $50 in gas, use that $10 off coupon from the weekly ad that's right in the front of the store, and you're saving your family $10. $10 is going into your pocket instead of sitting there on the coupon carousel in Publix. So try it, ease your way into it. If it's your first time, grab just a couple of deals, or just pick something, pick a small scenario out that you want to do. Start small, don't get frustrated, and take advantage of the gas card deals, the gas card coupons, should I say, when they come out, because it's a benefit to you. Yeah, you do have to put out the $50. If we don't have a lot of money makers or freebies, you're not going to get a great gas card scenario, so you do have to put out a little bit of money. But in the long run, in the big scheme of things, there is $10 there that you are saving. So that's it. Go through the weekly ad. You guys know I have the matchups up. I'll include the link in this video. Check out what you see in there. Let me know if there's a certain scenario you want me to type up, and I'll type it up for you. I'll be happy to do that. If you tell me I'm only looking for paper products, or I want to do something with diapers, whatever, just let me know what it is, and I'll type it up, and I'll throw a post up there for you guys. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy saving, savers.